I'm Chef Cory Bahr, and today we're talking Louisiana crawfish hush puppies. We're making a really fun dish for springtime. It's a Louisiana crawfish tail, corn, and jalapeno hush puppy. One of the most important ingredients, though, is the crawfish, obviously, and you got to read this: product of Louisiana. Now, a lot of them out there might have a name that sounds like it's Louisiana, like Boudreaux's, but it's really farm-raised in China. Support local, support Louisiana. So let's go on to that. This is a 1 pound recipe, so that's how they're packaged, so that's how we're making it. So we're gonna combine 1 pound of crawfish tails with 2 eggs that were lightly beaten, 1 cup of sour cream. Just gonna mix that together. Spatula, big metal bowl works great. Into that, we're gonna add our spice, about a tablespoon of Tony's original Creole seasoning, half a cup of chopped green onions, 1 jalapeno. The kernels off 2 ears of corn. We lightly grill it, but you don't have to. All right, we're just gonna fold that together. Very simple ingredients. We're gonna add a tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of finely ground cornmeal. This makes a great appetizer. You got a fish fry going on, you know the fish are starting to bite, things are getting fun. A little bit spicy, sweet, you know the sweetness from the corn really goes great with that Creole spice. The important thing to do, and here's the trick, you want to set this aside for about 10 minutes and let all that hydrate. Here's a little secret I found to make a great hush puppy where they don't stick. You take your spoon, dip it in your grease. This is 350 degrees before you add your hush puppy. And about a tablespoon at a time, and just let it roll off. I know what you're thinking, these look great. I'm thinking the same thing, making me hungry. And they fry about 3.5 minutes at 350 degrees. You'll know when they're done when they start feeling a little bit lighter to you and they turn easier. You see me turning them? That's to ensure even cooking. You just want them nice and even. That GBD, golden brown and delicious. And so right out of the fryer, man, these are making me hungry. I'm happy it's springtime, y'all. We're gonna finish with just a little pinch of seasoning right out of the fryer, just using some more Tony's. And there you have it. It's our Louisiana crawfish and sweet corn hush puppies with jalapeno.